Hello gardeners on the move! If you're growing food in a van or small space using hydroponics, picking the right plants is key. In today's video, I'll explore the best crops for mobile hydroponic systems, plants that are fast-growing, high-yield, and perfect for small environments. Hydroponics makes it possible to grow fresh food in limited spaces, with less water and no soil. But to make the most of your setup, you need plants that thrive in a compact, mobile environment. Here are some of the best plants for hydroponic systems in vans. Lettuce. Fast-growing and space-efficient, lettuce varieties like romaine and butterhead are ideal for hydroponics. You'll have fresh greens ready to harvest in as little as 4 weeks. Herbs. Herbs like basil, mint, cilantro, and parsley thrive in small spaces and add fresh flavor to your meals. Plus, they're easy to maintain and can be harvested continuously. Strawberries. Compact and high-yield, strawberries are perfect for hydroponics. They require a bit more care but reward you with sweet, fresh fruit right from your van. Spinach and kale. Leafy greens like spinach and baby kale grow quickly and provide a nutritious addition to your meals. While hydroponics is versatile, avoid large or sprawling plants like pumpkins or corn, which require more space and stability than a van can provide. To ensure success, choose plants with shorter growth cycles and keep your hydroponic system well lit and stable. Regularly check your water levels and nutrients to keep your crops thriving. With the right plants, hydroponic gardening in a van can be a fun and rewarding way to enjoy fresh food on the go. Start with these beginner-friendly crops and watch your mobile garden flourish. If you're excited to start growing, hit that subscribe button for more tips on van life gardening. Share your favorite hydroponic plants in the comments and let's grow together, wherever the road takes us.